It was a normal call for the men of Station 4 in Baytown. At a house 1 mile away, 65-year-old John McCormick collapsed while mowing his front yard. He had a history of heart trouble. This time his heart stopped. The firefighters and EMTs revived him and followed the ambulance to the hospital. But then engine driver Luke Bednarik had an idea. So they drove back to the house.
We're all fighting over who can push the mower first.
And that's when a neighbor secretly took this picture. Firefighter Blake Steffenauer finishing the front yard.
I just happened to get off the truck first and grab the lawnmower first. We were all fighting over it.
They took turns. They did the backyard too, locked the garage and put the key in the mailbox and left this handwritten note that said, "We felt bad that your husband didn't get to finish the yard, so we did." And they didn't think it was that big of a deal.
No, not at all. Just something to help someone out in the worst time of their life.
But it was a letter and a gesture that made a daughter weep.
People still do random acts of kindness every day for people that they don't know.
The story does not have a happy ending. John McCormick died 2 days later, but his family thanked the firefighters for giving them those 2 days to say goodbye and for restoring their faith in people.
I just couldn't believe they took the time to do that.
With a simple, random act of kindness. The picture of that random act posted to the City of Baytown Facebook page is already going viral. The McCormick family is getting calls from as far away as New Zealand, and they're thankful a neighbor took it.
This just shows just exactly how special they really are.
So they can say thank you to the firefighters and show the rest of us what kindness looks like.
Thank you.
We
love you.
We love you. We appreciate you.
And show that going above and beyond the call of duty often just takes a few more steps.